Starting a new series on my page. My husband shot an elk, and we have about 300 pounds of elk meat in the freezer. And so obviously we're not gonna have to buy meat for a while. So I'm just gonna try out some new recipes I found on Pinterest. So follow along. Today I'm making like a little elk ragu pasta dish is what I found. It looked really good. So here we go. Okay, first this recipe calls for 1 white onion, celery, and carrots, and you just chop all that up. Okay, so I did 1 white onion, about 14 or 15 mini carrots, and then 4 stalks of celery. Add that to your pan and cook until the onion is translucent. Adding about a tablespoon of garlic. Now you're gonna need a pound of elk meat. Cook until all the meat is browned. Once it's browned, add a cup of red wine. Now let this simmer and let the wine reduce by half. Okay, now add 2 cups of tomato sauce. Whoops. And then this is 4 cups of beef broth, but only add 2 cups of it right now. So just about half. Yeah, that's good. Now add a little bit of salt. Turn your heat to low and cover, and you're gonna let this simmer for 2 hours. Okay, it's been about an hour, so I'm gonna add the rest of the beef broth. Add a box of fettuccine pasta. Top with Parmesan and parsley and serve.